is bumblebee? Oh. What's that? Oh yes! We'll start soon, okay? We're almost there. We're almost there.
Or never. Let the race begin.
We have just parked and Kayleigh has just finished her snack. And we are at Putrajaya right now. Trying to cross the road. What are we here for, Kayleigh? What are we here for? Do you know? What are we here for? Take the peep up, take the peep up. Take the peep up. Show the camera the peep. What are we here for, Kayleigh? We're here for? What is this? The Transformers Run. It's your first running event, Kayleigh. Are you excited? Are you ready?
It's like a bat.
Yeah, are you ready? Okay, hopefully I don't have to carry you a lot. Are you gonna ask me to carry you halfway? Or are you gonna run all the way? Which one is it gonna be? Let's find out. Oh look, we got some friends. Let's go. We get free water here. Free water. Oh, you get free water here. The F&B area. You can buy food here. So the first one, what do we have? We have ice cream truck, boba tea. The second one is skewers. Like, oh, that's nice keropok. Good fried stuff. Nice. What about the next one? Rice. We have some rice on the way. Rice, kebab, kebab. This is chicken also, fried chicken. This is churros, pizza. Chilling area. Should we come here later after the race? Yeah, get some food maybe. So that's a bad guy, Decepticon. Bad guy, that's the good guy. Bad guy and good guy. Gulai means? What does gulai mean? Gulai means they're good guy. Oh, they're doing a warm-up.
Or never. Let the race begin.
Finish strong and then run. We'll take a picture with the puppy. You don't like the puppy? Scared of the puppy? Then we'll just run past it.
Okay, for 800 meters.
Kurami.
For 800 meters, can we
800 meters.
gather
Let's go, let's go.
everyone?
Let's
800 meters.
Hey, Mano. Nice, I like your shirt.
Go, say hello. Hello. Don't say hello, sorry. Ada bunyi? Okay. Okay guys, ready? Music, are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. Jangan lari. Ini baru exercise.
Let's go. Go on. Go on, you want to know? Okay, now? How about now? 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 Okay, everyone's running now. Let's do this. Let's walk. Okay? Let's do this. You want to walk or not? Let's walk. We're gonna win the medal. Okay, we walk. Okay? How about that? We walk? Yeah? Oh, they're so fast. Everyone's running. Yeah, I'll put you down. Okay? A lot of people behind us. What? The doggy, no. We're safe now. We're safe now. Come. Yeah, he's not part of the race. So the doggy is not part of the race. Yeah, let's run. Let's try. Okay, can we try? There's a lot of people behind us. Can I come down? No, don't push me, don't push me. Yes. You want a sun? Is that a sun? Go. Let's go. See, you can do it. Okay. Go. Almost there. We're almost there. Look. Huh? Almost there. You know what? We're almost there. Look at Coco.慢走啊 We just walk. Huh? We just walk. I don't need to cry. Slow race. Just take our time. And there's a car. So we're the last one now. Literally the last one. That's the stripper car. We're gonna turn here. Oh, we're gonna make a turn and then go back. And then we're done. Alright, come. No one already. Look behind us. Look. No one. Come, let's enjoy. Let's just walk slowly.
Teacher, I want to do again.
Yeah.
I want to do
We just finished strong, okay?
When I finish, I want to do again.
Do again what?
Do again.
Start again. How do we run? Ready? Set. Go. How do we run? Just do your best, it's okay. How do you feel now, Kayleigh? It's okay. You're doing well, Kayleigh. Good job. Good job, Kayleigh. Good job. Oh, that don't move. Happy with it. Good job, Kayleigh. You did it. You have your own medal now.
Dah dapat medal?
Sudah dapat. Oh, sini. Boleh. Thank you. Hey, congratulations. Nice. Blue eyes.
Dah dapat medal lah.
Yay. Well done. Well done. High five. High five. Hi. Why did you cry in the beginning?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Oh, are you gonna cry again next time if you race? Yes or no? Are you gonna cry again? Would you want to do again? The race? You want to do again?
I won't cry.
You won't cry next time? Okay, I trust you.